Buongiorno! Today I'll be cooking some spaghetti with an avocado pesto, and it is an idea that came to me the other day when I was cooking some burgers with avocado and garlic and so on. So definitely worthwhile trying, and I think it's going to be quicker to make it than talk about it. So let's get on with it. And the avocado is exactly what I'll start with. So clean one up, remove the skin and the pit from the middle. If you chop your avocado into quarters, it's much easier to peel, as you can get hold of the skin very easily. Get hold of a food processor and put it inside. Next I will be peeling a shallot, so you can also use a small red onion if you like. Also chop it into quarters and put it inside with the avocado. A good handful of parsley. I keep my parsley in the freezer. This is frozen and it's really handy. I'm now going to squeeze a little lemon juice, not a lot, just a little bit from a half a lemon. Perfect. Next I'll be adding a small handful of almonds. This is approximately 25 grams. I'm now removing the skin from a medium-sized clove of garlic, and I'll also be adding it in. Drop of balsamic vinegar, followed by a generous amount of olive oil. A little salt and some pepper. I'll just got my food processor ready and I'll quickly turn it on. My mix is struggling to go around, so I've decided to add a little amount of hot water to see if it helps. Much better. Job is done actually. It's nice and creamy. With hindsight I could have done with using most probably the smaller food processor, but job done. I got some water boiling on the go, pinch of salt, followed by my spaghetti. And I will leave the spaghetti to cook until they are al dente. I got 300 grams of fresh tomatoes on the vine here, but you can also use plum tomatoes if you like, or cherry tomatoes. And I'm chopping them into 6 pieces per tomato, as they are a little bit big. If you are using cherry tomatoes or plum tomatoes, you can most probably do with cutting them in half. And I'm not removing the middle either, I'm leaving the seeds in the middle because they're really sweet. Perfect, they're done. I will also be drizzling a little olive oil on top. And I'm now chopping in some fresh basil, which I've just this moment picked from the garden. And I'll mix everything together. I will not be adding any salt or pepper, as there is already salt and pepper in the marinade. I've just drained the spaghetti and I've kept a little pasta water at the bottom. And add my avocado sauce, followed by my beautiful tomatoes. A quick mix. And in it goes in my serving bowl. And it goes absolutely without saying the final touch, basil. And it is ready.
I've arrived.
Just in time, yes, as
time
usual.
for lunch.
She's impeccable. And I'll try some before it gets cold. You do need to eat this quickly. Spaghetti does cool down very quickly. Oh, look at the size of that, Julia. I bet you're jealous. Everything is well balanced. The only thing I'll say, maybe a tad less balsamic vinegar, but still delicious. Really lovely. Try it and let me know how it goes. Thank you. Ciao.